Hey guys, take it so and today in this video we're gonna take our quick setup tour. Well, I don't have a big setup with me right now, but yeah, I have like gradually summed up this setup for me. And this is my primary work desk where I usually shoot the videos and upload the videos and edit the video right from this table. And all of these gadgets I have like gradually added to this setup like one by one over the period of like 3 years or so. And all of these things I have bought from my own money, so you can say like YouTube investment or reinvestment, you can say. So this is how it goes. So I'm going to quickly give you a quick tour of my setup. And recently I have basically unboxed a smart plug. If you want to watch that video, it will be linked in the I button, so you can watch it from there. And I've used that in my setup as well, so I'm going to show it to you that also. Yeah. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about this chair. Now this is the chair that I use for primary working on my desk, and it's adjustable. As you can see, the height can be adjusted according to our height. It's up down, as well as it has a bit of reclining angle as well, but it's not as recliner as that ergonomic chairs. But yeah, you can recline a bit on this. It's basically meant for like proper work, so you won't be feel lazy with this particular chair. So that's why I went with this one. Talking about the cushioning is also pretty good, and if I recall, the brand is Green Soul. It's available on Amazon. I'll link down in the description, so you can go and take a look from there as well. Okay, so after the chair, it's pretty good. You can take a look at that also. Now talking about the desk, so this is a desk that I use from my previous setup. So I have been using this desk is like around 5 to 6 years old, and it's proper workstation desk, as you can see. So it's pretty long. If I recall, it's like around 4 feet in this length and around 30 inches wide right from the wall. And we do have I do have pretty much good space to like put all my stuff over here. Then I'll talk about the laptop afterwards. So on the desk itself, I do have a place where I usually keep my feet while working like this. This is how it goes, and we do have a small keyboard panel over here, or you can say slider, where I do keep my keyboard and mouse, which I usually connect with my laptop. And I do have some other stuff as well, like headphones, this smartwatch. I usually keep it over here. I do have a laptop sleeve as well, but I usually keep my laptop over here. But yeah, some of the things are kept inside this. Then all the regular stuff that I usually use, I keep it over here so that it can be easily accessed. So that's how I keep my stuff on this particular thing. This is the Flipkart Smart Buy keyboard mouse. Again, the video is uploaded. You can watch it in the I button. I'll add it in the iCard. And below it, I have a free space to like keep my legs freely. So that's what it is. And this is a small cabinet that houses all my tools and all the other stuffs like chargers and products that have been unboxed and that are going to be unboxed. All these are kept inside this cabinet, and it has basically two sections over here. The bottom section houses all the tools, and the above ones house like chargers and these remote controls and things like that. So yeah, all the things that are frequently needed are kept inside this cabinet for quick access. Now talking about the things that are present on my desk, about the laptop and mobile phone, I'll talk afterwards. Okay, so at the back side, as you can see, I do have a monitor which is hanged upon a monitor arm, and it's quite old monitor. If I recall, it's like around 15 plus years old, because it was from my old computer setup which I used to have like around when I was a kid. So yeah, so this is a Samsung ThinkMaster. It's a 17-inch LCD monitor. Unfortunately, it's not working right now because there is some power board issue, I think, so it's not able to turn on. But yeah, but it's working. I'll try to repair it as soon as possible. So this is the Amazon Basics monitor arm. I recently made an unboxing video of this also, and a complete setup video of this arm as well. So if you haven't watched, you can watch it in the I button. It's quite sturdy. As you can see, I have been hanging up this monitor right from like 2 months or so, and it did not tilt even a little by a small angle as well. So quite sturdy and quite heavy built monitor arm. If you want, you can definitely go, and it accepts up to like 24 inches of monitor, if I'm not wrong, if I recall. Yeah, so this is how it goes. This is Samsung monitor, the Amazon Basics arm, monitor arm. And then here I have this. This is basically a mic holder. So if you will see that if someone like the person who used to do live stream, they usually use this to hang up their mic. So, but I do not use it for mic, I use it for overhead shots. So as you can see, I do have a mobile holder over here. So I usually mount my camera over here to take a overhead shot. So whatever is shot on this table is using this as a mount. Yeah, I can technically go with an overhead tripod, but I don't want to mess up my table like attaching all of this stuff over here. So it's quite convenient and easy to work with, because if you don't need it, I just simply remove it, fold it like this, and yeah, we have complete clean setup. So yeah, you can definitely go with this option as well if you want to take some overhead shot, and it's quite stable. You will usually do not notice any jitter, or the mobile phone or any camera does not fall off, but obviously DSLR won't be mounted on this because it's quite heavy, and this thing is not that much sturdy. So for mobile phone, it's fine. After that, on the table, I do have my router over there. It's an RC6, again linked in the description, so you can watch it from the I button as well. Then I do have a smart speaker over there, Alexa, and I do have a small speaker setup as well for like enjoying some music as well.
Sorry,
Then,
I'm not sure.
and I do have a Logitech 2.1 speaker system attached to that smart speaker for enjoying music. So that comes under the setup as well. And these are basically the lights that I have. So these are basically the mood lights. So LED strip is running at the back of this table, as well as we do have a standing light over here. And I made it DIY. I did not bought it online, so it's a DIY. If you have an RGB strip, you can just simply stick it onto a pipe or some metal strip. That's it, and it works really very good. And it's all like smart, and because the switch boards are pretty at the back side, and it's usually not accessible. That's why I bought that smart plug. So if I like quickly give a quick demo, Alexa, turn off studio.
Okay.
So it did turn off the studio. Alexa, turn on studio.
Okay.
So as you can see, so it does work quite fine, because the like the back power sockets are pretty much not accessible with the bare hand. I need to like move this table back and forth in order to like access those. So that's why the smart plug is a way more convenient option to like go with this one. Okay, yeah, and this monitor also houses a back LED strip which like glows. It's in breathing mode, if you are able to see. I'm not really sure because the light is pretty dim, but it's in breathing mode and it's having some cyan color set to it. Overall, it gives pretty good feels and vibe while I work on this particular setup. Yeah, that's pretty much it from this setup. I do also have a printer which is like Canon wireless printer, all-in-one printer. It's a Wi-Fi printer, and I use it like barely. I use it because like all those things are now digital, so I use it barely. But yeah, I do have a printer as well. Now talking about my primary workstation, I have this Lenovo IdeaPad 510. I bought this laptop like back in 2017, and it's like now 5 years old laptop, but still all the videos that you will see after the unboxing of this laptop have been edited on this laptop, and till now it's like super fine. Until editing, it's fine, like 1080p 60 fps is fine, but the rendering times are like pathetic. Like in the last video that I uploaded, so 15 minutes, it took like around 32 minutes to render that video in 60 fps. But yeah, during the rendering it's not that much jittery, but yeah, you will feel some lag and things like stuttering. But yeah, it's Core i5 7th generation, 8 GB of RAM, and recently I've made an update from hard disk to an SSD an year ago, and SSD is working fine. It has that Kingston A400 to 240 GB SSD. Yeah, so yeah, that upgrades are also working fine, and overall the laptop is also working fine. I am not thinking of upgrading it right now because it will get the job done, but in future I might upgrade to a new laptop whenever it's needed. Okay. Talking about the watch, so this is the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. Again, the video is uploaded. You can watch it in the I button and the description as well. The full review and everything has been uploaded. I am still planning to make a like review video after 10 months of usage, and I'll shoot the video and upload it as well. So if you want, just let me know in the comment section below. And talking about my primary phone, so this is the OnePlus 5T. And it's again like a 5 years old device. So it was launched in 2017 November, and yeah, I bought this in the first sale itself. So yeah, until now it's like 5 years old device, but still it's working really very fine. So I don't think of upgrading it right now. But yeah, I do have some battery issues because like it's over 5 years and it has like crossed thousands charge cycles. So yeah, the battery life has dropped down like drastically. But yeah, it gets the job done, and I do not find any issue. So yeah, a really very good device. I've invested like 30,000 at that time, but still it's like really very good and interesting device. Still it's working really very nice. Only thing is that the cable has been broken. Rest everything is fine, right from the Type C port to the 3.5mm jack and camera as well. So yeah, it gets the job done. So yeah, this is pretty much it from this like setup. I don't think I have missed anything else. Talking about the room, at the back side of this camera, I have my bed set up over here. So usually I work over here and the bed at the back side. And yeah, I do have some smart bulbs and things over here as well. So it's smart bulb from Smith. Again, the video is up on the channel. You can watch it in the I button. So yeah, this is how my entire setup goes. I do have a small balcony over here. So yeah, it's quite a lighty room that have a lot of light when it's a daytime. So yeah guys, this is pretty much it for this video guys. If you found this video really helpful, then do that like button and subscribe button and stay tuned for more such videos. So thanks for watching.